This is Alim from Javelin, playing with the new toys in SolidWorks 2013, Service Pack 3. Yes, I mentioned one more time a Service Pack number just because SolidWorks added new functionality to the software via Service Pack. So I strongly encourage you to upgrade for SP3, especially if you use sheet metal. If you remember in a previous video, I showed you the fact that each sheet metal body gets its own sheet metal feature, which is very handy for setting up individual radii, default radii, thicknesses, or bend allowances. In this case, I'm going to use the K factor. What is new in SP3 is this checkbox, the ability to override the default parameter. So now you can decide if you want to keep the K factor that was set up at the sheet metal feature in the part, or you want to have it at the body level, control at the body level. So let's take a look what I have here. For the whole part, the K factor is set up at 0.8. For the cyan body, I have the K factor at 0.3. For the green body, I also have the K factor of 0.3. So let's turn this off. I'm going to inherit now the K factor from the part level, which is 0.8. If I'm flattening these bodies, let's start with the cyan one. You're going to find out that the length of the flat part is 7.995. For the green one, it's obviously bigger because the K factor is bigger. So I'm going to say this functionality works well, and it's also very intuitive. It's very easy for the user to see what's going on. If you remember in SP0.1 and 2, the sheet metal feature at the part level was, especially the K factor, was only for as a default for new body that you will create. So without whatever value you have here, would automatically populate the value for new bodies. But that automatically also will become an independent value from this one. That being said, there is still one problem that hopefully is going to be fixed sooner rather than later. If you're looking at the cut list, let's do an update. Even though these two bodies have a different K factor, they are listed, or they are identified by SolidWorks as being individual cut list items. The same cut list item. So if I'm going through the properties of this cut list item, you're going to find out that the length of the flat is set up as 7.995, which obviously is wrong. The green one has 8.093, so that is wrong for now. So what can I do? Well, I can turn this off. I can turn the automatic off, and I'm just going to move this out from the cut list one, and I'm just going to create my own cut list for the second body. So now, if I'm checking the properties of this guy, you're going to find 8.093. The properties of the second one is 7.995. So that being said, I don't really see this as being a major danger for designers, just because it's very seldom that you have two parts of the same thickness and the same material with two different K factors. But if that's the case, for now, just stay away from the automatic cut list. Just create them manually. Be mindful of that. Thank you very much.